Hi! With Wood-Mizer's MP160, you get two essential workshop machines in one, a jointer and a planer. Every workshop needs a jointer and a planer in order to produce accurately dimensioned boards. With Wood-Mizer's MP160, you get both in one efficient and compact machine. The MP160 efficiently shares one horizontal cutter between two cast iron tables, the upper table for jointing and the lower table for planing. Switch between the two functions easily without stopping the cutter or the extractor. The great thing about the MP160 is you don't have to do any reconfiguration between jointing and planing. You can do one right after the other, just like that. A safety guard keeps your hands safe during jointing. The board fence tilts up to 45 degrees for jointing angled boards. The top and bottom tables can be adjusted as needed, and the infeed and outfeed tables always remain parallel to each other. The outfeed table can also be finely adjusted as needed. When planing, two power rollers pull your board under the cutter. The power feed has an industrial gearbox. The MP160 jointer planer is all you need to produce furniture-grade material. Visit Wood-Mizer online or contact your local Wood-Mizer agent for more information about this machine and the entire range of machines that Wood-Mizer has to offer.